Hello and welcome to this feature of the week. My name is Fiona Play and today we will be discussing the Venous Junction site in GastroPlus. There is a long existing problem. The simulated plasma concentration is too high during the infusion phase for compounds with large volume of distribution and high clearance. To illustrate our purpose, we will take the example of a compound with a VSS of around 250 liters and a clearance of about 400 liters per hour for an 80 kilogram human, which is significantly higher than the liver blood flow. Here you can see the simulation result of an IV administration of our compound of a 12 milligram dose with an infusion time of 10 minutes. As you can see, the simulated concentration at the venous return site is over-predicting the observed data. So here, this is the blue curve that you can see here. The discrepancy is mainly due to a difference in the sampling site between GastroPlus and the clinical study. To address this issue, a sampling site has been added before the venous return, as you can see here in red, named the Venous Junction, which is closer to the measured concentration. So here we have the venous return, where you usually extract your plasma concentration simulations. And here you can see the extra site, which is the venous junction. Indeed, the dose has traveled around the body, here as you can see, before it is sampled in real life, as it is sampled at a site that is distant from the infusion site. Whereas in GastroPlus, it is sampled from the same compartment as it is administered into, which means before it makes that journey around the body. As you can see on the plot on the right-hand side, the simulated plasma concentration at the venous junction site here in red is able to capture the observed data compared to the venous return site that you can see here in blue. To access this sampling site in the analysis view, you will have to switch to the deep view mode and select the systemic circulation. Then the concentration, then the venous junction under your compound name. Then, as you can see, you'll have some selections available. So you will see the concentration in blood, in plasma, and the unbound concentration. And here you will select the concentration plasma, and you will see on the right in the plot the corresponding concentration here. In deep view, here you can also select the venous return plasma concentration and the observed data of the simulation in question. By default, this is what you will obtain. And you can always expand the plot settings here by clicking on the plus to customize your plot the way you want it. And for example, here colors were added as well as the legend and the title. That brings us to the end of this feature of the week. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.simulations-plus.com or you can contact us via email. Thank you.